Hey friends, today we're going to be making a smoothie bowl. I love doing this for like a lunch or a snack, mostly because it's quick and easy, even though it seems complicated because it's like a juicer and a Nutribullet. It's easy because my daughter enjoys doing it with me and we can do it together, and it's really nutritious. I love doing the beet juice because it's really good for oxidizing the blood. And then I put it into my Nutribullet, which I put in tons of spinach, which has really great folate and B vitamins and fiber, and I put berries, which are really good for antioxidant, that they have a really high amount of antioxidants in them, and I add my beet juice, and then I blend it all together to make the base of my smoothie bowl. It has a ton of nutrients in it. You can add almond milk. I love adding some fatty acids to this smoothie bowl just because it helps with absorption of the nutrients and minerals, but then it also helps satiate a little bit longer. So I add pecans and walnuts. The oatmeal adds some good fiber and it's a little more filling. I'll throw a banana on for some more B vitamins. And then I also like to add, I kind of choose whatever I have in my pantry or whatever sounds good. Today I threw in these Nature's Bakery fig bars, which I love. I threw in the Nature's Bakery fig bar, and then I also had some dark chocolate on hand, so I threw that in there too. And this is just a really good little snack meal, very nourishing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye friends.